In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own Chatgpt Chibi stickers. It's a fun and creative way to express yourself with custom stickers, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started on this creative journey. First things first, let's open up a web browser and head on over to Google. You can use any browser you prefer. Just type Google in your search bar and hit enter. Once you're there, we'll need to search for ChatGPT. So, in the Google search bar, type ChatGPT and press enter. You'll see a list of results. What we're looking for is the official ChatGPT website, so go ahead and click on that link. Now that we're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to unleash your creativity. What we're going to do is devise a prompt that will help generate the design elements you want for your chibi stickers. So, take a moment to think about the theme or characters you wish to incorporate. Type your creative prompt into the input box. Feel free to get as detailed as you like. The more description you provide, the more refined the output can be. Once you're happy with your prompt, it's time to move on to the next step. You'll want to click on the Submit button, which will send your prompt into action. This is where the magic happens as ChatGPT generates responses based on your input. Give it a moment, and then you'll see the responses that come up. When you have your response, your next task is to select the aspects of the reply that you can use to create your chibi stickers. It might be certain shapes, colors, or elements described in the text that inspire your design. Note these down or save them for the design phase. Now, after gathering your creative ideas from ChatGPT, you're ready to translate these elements into sticker designs. You might choose to do this using a digital design tool like Adobe Illustrator or free resources like Canva. Simply start designing, integrating the elements you gathered. Play around with different layouts, colors, and styles until you find the right look that says exactly what you want with your stickers. Once your designs are ready, the final step is to print them out. Get some sticker paper suitable for your printer, load it up, and print your unique creations. Cut them out, and voila! You've made your own ChatGPT Chibi stickers. And there you have it, your own unique set of chibi stickers, inspired by ChatGPT and brought to life by your creativity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Happy crafting with your brand new stickers.